Every year, thousands of people fall from ladders, not because ladders are unsafe, but because we use them unsafely. Today, in this short but powerful training, I will teach you the exact ladder safety rules that professionals follow. Rules that save lives, prevent injuries, and keep you confident every time you climb. Stay with me till the end, because the last section reveals 3 fatal mistakes workers make that nobody talks about. The question arises as why ladder safety matter? According to global safety statistics, ladder falls are among the top causes of workplace injuries. The scary part: most incidents happen at a height of less than 2 meters. Yes, small heights, big consequences. Ladder safety is not about avoiding risk. It's about controlling it. Now let's discuss types of ladders and when to use them. Before you climb any ladder, ask yourself one question. Is this the right ladder for the job? Let me break it down. Step ladder. Ideal for indoor tasks, stable on its own. Never lean it against a wall. Extension or straight ladder. For reaching higher elevations. Needs strong support and proper angle. Platform ladder. Best for long-duration tasks, your feet can rest on a platform. Metal ladders. Absolutely avoid near electricity, because electricity doesn't forgive mistakes. Using the wrong ladder is like using the wrong tool. It always ends badly. Let's discuss now the most important part, which is PREU's inspection. Before using a ladder, perform a 30-second inspection, the way professionals do. Check for cracks, dents, bends. Check anti-slip feet. Check side rails, no damage or corrosion. Check rungs, no looseness, deformation, or oil/grease. Check locking mechanisms, fully functional. If anything looks suspicious, even slightly, tag it out. Never take a chance, because safety is not luck, it's preparation. The 4:1 rule for setting up ladders. The most common reason for ladder falls are wrong angle. Use the 4:1 rule. For every 4 feet of ladder height, place the base 1 foot away from the wall or structure. This ensures perfect stability. Also remember, never place ladders on loose ground. Never set them on boxes, blocks, or bricks. Always secure the top if working at height. Always extend 3 feet above the landing point when accessing a roof or platform. The ladder should work for you, not against you. Safe climbing technique. When you climb, your ladder becomes your partner, so treat it like one. Follow the 3-point contact rule. 2 hands plus 1 foot or 2 feet plus 1 hand. At any moment, never climb with tools in your hands. Use a tool belt, tool bag, or hoisting rope. Face the ladder while climbing. Move slowly, no rush, no shortcuts. And the golden rule: if you feel unstable, stop immediately. Listen to your body. It gives early warnings. Now the do's and don'ts of ladder safety. We must always do the following. Maintain 3-point contact.
Βέα προπέσουας.
Keep your belt buckle between the rails. Use ladders only for short duration tasks. Keep others away from the base. Use spotter if possible. Now the don'ts that we must always refrain from. Don't stand on top 2 rungs. Don't overreach. Don't use ladders in bad weather. Don't carry heavy loads while climbing. Don't use damaged ladders. Don't place ladders near doors without locking them. Remember, if you have to stretch, move the ladder. Overreaching turns a safe ladder into a dangerous one. Working from the ladder. Always remember that ladders are not meant to be working platforms. They are access tools. When working, keep tools tied or secured. Keep your body centered. For long work, switch to a scaffold or platform. Ensure someone is nearby in case of emergency. Doing heavy tasks while standing. Tag it out. Never take a chance, because safety is not luck. It's preparation. Electrical hazards concerned in ladder safety. Electricity is silent but deadly. Use only fiberglass ladders for electrical work. Never use metal ladders near overhead power lines. If power lines are above you, stop immediately and inform your supervisor. 3 common deadly mistakes workers make. Let's talk about the mistakes that cause real incidents. 1. Climbing with hands full. The moment your hands get busy, your ladder gets risky. 2. Overreaching. If your belly button moves past the side rail, you're already falling. 3. Using a damaged ladder. Because it will only take a minute. Yes, just a minute. Enough to change a life forever. Don't do it. Safety shortcuts become life regrets. Large orange diamond. Finally, the closing message for this video is, ladder safety is simple, but ignoring it is expensive. Remember, the right ladder, the right angle, the right technique. Safety isn't a rule, it's a choice we make every single day. If you found this training helpful, hit the like button, share it with your team, and subscribe for more HSE professional content. Stay safe, stay aware, and climb smart.